料啦，1A 啦。
I know it's only the first one.
嚟料啦，嚟料啦，上台先。
This is now where we pick up the world champion.
Yeah.
Alright, and remember we are giving out cash prizes.
But that guy.
In the division 2A, 3A,
the star
4A,
one?
and 5A, the top
one
prize
with the
is
beam?
$400.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second prize is $175, and
Beam?
third is $75.
For my
But
side.
for 1A,
Beam?
Yeah.
top prize is $650.
The Singapore.
Second place will get $300.
The
Third
Canadian.
gets $200. Fourth gets $175, and fifth place will get $75.
Yeah.
And the small boy again.
Oh, small boy?
Alright, so one big round of applause for all our 1A contestants.
Yeah.
And that guy. Yeah. 4 of them.
Yeah.
And the Brazilian.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot the BTS.
Mickey?
Yeah. Oh, there are lots, huh?
Oh, so many people.
Alright, so everybody ready for the 1A result?
嚟啦！究竟係邊個咧？
Alright, coming in third with a score of 78.28 from Singapore, Christopher.
Oh yeah! Christopher！
I told you.
哇，第一次嚟啊，就贏啦！
Coming in second place with a score of 79.75 from Japan, Hiroyuki Suzuki.
哇，呢件可以。咁第一仲係 Samson 啊，應該係。你估唔估得中咧？啊，佢係黑口後面啦。
And your 2010 World Yo-Yo Contest 1A winner with a score of 96.18.
哦！
His first World Championship from Canada, Jensen. How about another big round of applause for all of our 1A contestants and their coaches.
呢條到底係邊個啊？ 俾人開心到爆炸，你睇佢。Hey Ben, you happy? Yeah.
Happy for Christopher.
Yeah.
World champion, Christian Hill, big round of applause.
哇！今年真係黐線咁勁啊！ 又係大合照時間。Maximum body contact. Runner still down. 好啦，今年世界賽又係咁完結啦。下年見，食蕉。